One BOCES program allows the opportunity for students to get a real-world environment along with the rigorous studying that takes place in the classroom. When you combine that, you create this amazing student.
We have so much to offer. We have barbering. You can start your own business of cutting hair. We have cosmetology where you can learn hair, skin, and nails. And then we have our aesthetics program where you'll learn things like facials, basic essentials in makeup and how to apply makeup.
HVAC, electrical, you'll continue to learn every day.
The instructors are putting their heart and soul and all of their personal real-life experience, pouring it into the students.
The sky is really the limit. There are so many opportunities for LPNs now.
We also bring in professionals in the field, and they do like question and answers for the students. Some former students come in and do tutorials.
The skilled trades industry in general has grown a lot over the years. I've got about 20 years of teaching at Erie BOCES Workforce Development, and probably out of those thousands that I've taught, maybe 80 to 90% have gotten jobs right out of my class.
They have signed up for these programs and they're just ready to really get out there and start work. One of the things that I hope that they walk away with is really having that confidence. They can start and hit the ground running, starting their own business, learning how to apply for jobs that are in-demand skills that they have gotten. We're giving them the tools, what the community is looking for, what their employers are looking for.
I would say more than half of our LPNs within the McGuire group came from Erie BOCES.
Coming and taking classes at Erie BOCES Workforce Development is fun. And while you're here having fun, you're getting an education on how to do a skilled trade.
When I meet an Erie BOCES student, I notice them because of their commitment, they're eager to learn, their compassion. They're really remarkable individuals.
I hope that every student walks away from Erie BOCES Workforce Development feeling like they really got their money's worth and then some.